In this video, we'll try to understand what is the use of is keyword and as keyword in C#. Now, in order to make you understand the difference between the is keyword and the as keyword, let me go and paste two sentences before you. And if you read both of these sentences, you'll come to know what is the use of the is keyword and what is the use of the as keyword. So here are both the sentences. So let me just do a Control V, and you can see that I have pasted two sentences here. And if you read both of these sentences, you'll come to know the difference between the is keyword and the as keyword. So if you read the first sentence carefully, it says that is str1 variable type of string. So the is keyword is useful when you want to check if two objects are of the same type or not. Look at the second sentence. Can we convert str1 string as an object? So the as keyword is useful when you want to typecast object from one type to the other type. So let's first demonstrate the is keyword. So for example, now let's say I have something like this: object x is equal to, or let's say object str1 is equal to Shiv. Okay, so I can say here if str1 is string, then do something. And I'll just put a console.writeLine here saying this is of same type. Okay, so now if I go and run this program, so let me put a debug point here. So if I go and run this, so there my application is running. So you can see that it goes here, and because str1 is of type string, right, you can see this is true, and it goes inside this if condition, right? In case I go and do something like this, in case I say that this is, let's say 1 2 3 4 like this, okay, and if I go and run this, now the str1 is of type number, right? So if I go and say if here, you can see he does not go inside this if condition. Why? Because the str1 is now of a type number, right? So the is keyword is useful when you want to check if the variables are of the same type or not. Now for the demonstration of the as keyword. So for example, now let's say this str1 is a string, right? So the as keyword helps you to convert an object from one type to the other type. So for example, now this is actually a string, right? But this str1 is an object type. So let's say I can do something like this. I can say a string x is equal to convert this str1 as a string. So this str1 is an object, right? But because of this as keyword, he will try to convert this str1 into a string. So if I go and run this program here, so if I just click on start here, remember the str1 is an object, because my naming convention is bad here. I've kept the name as str, but this str1 is actually an object. Okay, so there it goes. And if I say do this conversion, right, you can see now the x has the value Shiv, right? So the as keyword is helpful when you want to convert a object from one type to the other type. And in case if the as keyword is not able to convert the object from one type to the other type, then the value is null. So for example, now let's say if this was a number, okay, so because this is a number, probably he will not be able to convert it into the string, right? So the x will be null. So if I go and run this, if you take this condition at this moment, so if you see here, now this str1 is actually a number, right? A pure number. It is not a string. So what will happen is this x will have null values. So in case the as keyword is not able to convert the type from one object to the other type, right, he will actually return null. Right, so that was a very simple demonstration of the is keyword and as keyword. So next time, if you're getting confused, just remember these two sentences. The is keyword is helpful to check if the object is of that type or not, and the as keyword is helpful if you want to convert the object from one type to the other type. Thank you so much.